Um,
Sausage platter.
I would like to have sausage platter. It's not available. Okay, ano na lang. Longganisa with rice. Sorry? Wala nang breakfast.
Ay, late na.
Okay, ano na lang.
Nuggets with rice. Newly
Nuggets
up.
with rice.
Newly up ka mo.
Newly up. Newly up po yung nuggets.
Upgrade na.
Ano
Upgrade
yun?
ng McFloat.
McFloat.
Upgrade yung Coke nun.
Large.
Oo.
Large McFloat.
Upgrade po
Sorry. Large Coke McFloat. Tapos cheeseburger with fries. Regular fries lang. Coffee. Hot coffee, small lang. Alin ang not available? Iced coffee lang. Sige, iced coffee na lang.
Sige, sige.
Orange. Sige, orange na lang. May pancake.
Not available na po.
Not available na. Sige, yun lang. That's all. Kaya sila, kakain sila. Large fries. Paad ng large fries po. Yun lang.
Order natin.
Okay, thank you.
Antaran si Marcela. Not available. Not available po. Ay, hello po.
Hello po. Good morning. How much?
Ano si Miguel? Mag-order ba ulit tayo?
Oo nga, ano?
I-order tayo ng ano? Ikot ulit tayo. Hindi yata si Miguel naman. Ikaw pala yan. Thank you po! Ayun pala yan. Ano si Miguel?
Ay, si Miguel.
Hala,
Hindi ka mag-take ng ano? Hmm? What do you want? We have an order.
please don't eat our food. Can I have a straw? Thank you. Okay na parang di tayo pipila. Okay na yung experience nila. Georgia. We're the first one. Newly up kami, ano ba? Nuggets. Newly up.
Miss, newly up yung price na.
Tsaka nuggets.
Tsaka yung nuggets. Kahit dyan na lang namin kuhanin. Matagal. Ano? Ah.
Okay. Ay, ako yung cooksuit ko.
Ano pa? Inisip mo na. Huwag mo kuhanin. Inumin mo.
Ay, tissue ko.
Can I have a tissue, please?
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Follow up ng order.
Tagal pa?
Tagal pa ba? Excuse me, can you speak to the manager?
Thank you.
So, bye!
Magtitake din ba siya ng order? Order pa ulit. Gonna order 6-piece nuggets.
A la carte.
A la carte. A la That's
Newly
all.
up.
Newly up, please.
Thank you.
First window for the payment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Maya pa.
Hi, good morning. How much? 180.
18, 20.
118.
Hello, Kitty Crew Miguel. Are you having fun?
Then ice americano. Ano pong size po? Large na rin po sa price.
Yan si Marcela nalagay.
Anything else po? First window po, thank you.
Thank you.
Ano ba lang si Marcela? Nakinig ang ano, Kitty Crew na to. Hello! Thank you!
Is this newly up?
What?
Newly up to, newly up.
What?
Newly up. Ah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Marcela. Can I take, wala pa nagbabayad pa lang sila. Wait lang. I take a